Alright, this is going to be a quick video for Mike over in Pennsylvania. You're going to be on the receiving end of this in, I don't know, an hour or two. But it is currently 5:13 p.m. What's today's date? The 9th? Something like that. Yeah, Friday, January 9th, 2009. Happy New Year, everybody. And it's been snowing like this for about 4 hours. You can see my car there. I brushed all the snow off of it about half hour ago, and it's already partially covered. That's my sister's car in front of it. That's my sister's. That's mine with my light bar on it. So, but you can pretty much see all the roads are covered all the way down there, and there goes a car. I've been surprised. It's been slow in the city of North Canton, but everybody else has been pretty busy. So, hope you're looking forward to this. We'll give you a nice little view on where we're at in here. We are right there. So we're pretty much smack dab in the middle of this. And you can see all this. That's where we are. It's heaviest mostly around here, but it said probably 3 to 5 inches today, and then 4 to 6 tomorrow, something like that. See, that's our 12-hour forecast. You can see snow, all snow. 10-day forecast. Today, snow. Tomorrow, snow. Sunday and Monday, cloudy. Tuesday and Wednesday, snowy. So, we're going to be having some fun with some snow here. As you can see, we're on a winter storm warning until Saturday, January 10th. So yeah, I'm looking to having some fun today and tonight. So, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you're really looking forward to all this snow. So I'm sure definitely not looking forward to it at all. And you guys have a good day.